Alrighty guys, we're back with another one. I got a unique greater amberjack on Maldives. I think they get bigger on Maldives than Japan. Cause 174, I feel like they only got to like 168 or 169 or somewhere around there on Japan. This one's 174. I got this one while I'm trying to get a barracuda. The mark for it is negative 706, 562. And you can spawn at the boat ramp here, and you can see it's literally just right there. And I used a double hook pilker, 5 3/10 ounce, 7/0. It's the blue one. And I was doing stop and go on this day peak. Good luck.